Hello everyone and welcome back to July Watercolor Month. This is day 6 of 31 Days of Watercolor Challenge, and in today's video we are going to paint Watercolor Seashell greeting card. So grab your paints and let's get started. So for the materials I'm using a watercolor paper, and I have this mop brush number 3 and a smaller round brush and a pencil to draw and watercolors. So to draw this shell, it's very easy. You just start by making a broad V and 2 triangles on left and the right side, as you can see, and I'm just adjusting the shape of the V, and then we are going to make a curved line upwards using very small curves, and then attaching few lines from those curves till the bottom of the V. So it's barely a few shapes that you need to just put together, and you see a beautiful shape of the seashell. And I start by lightly using a light wash of this peachish coral color. While this is still wet, I'm going to add a little darker coral shade to some parts on this shell to show some shadows. So I want a very orangish kind of a color, so I added orange with that light peach and a little bit of pink, and I'm dropping it wherever I feel like, where I want some dark shadows. And once everything is dried, I'm now going to start giving more details. So I use the same dark coral pinkish color, and I start giving some textures to this shell. So I'm just using very small zigzag lines here, and I'm not making them perfect because we don't want that perfection in the seashell. It's a natural thing. So it is not meant to have very straight lines or equal lines. So you can choose the pattern that you want to paint on your seashell. So I'm just starting with the bottom with the darkest shade, and then when I move upwards, I'm just making the lines even lighter. As you can see, I just used a tissue to pick some color from the top lines that I painted, and with the same color I am giving few more outlines with the same dark shade. So you can of course adjust the color according to your liking. So I made it really dark, and I'm using this to outline the seashell. I used the same color to draw the lines for the seashells. I'm painting these lines very fast because I don't want a precision, and I'm breaking few lines, as you can see, and not painting them equally dark. Some are light, some are dark. And then I used clean water to just smudge them a little bit so that it appears that it has 3D look. Now I'm going to intensify the same parts that we painted just now by adding few little tiny lines here and there. So somewhere I'm making them dark, somewhere light. We don't want everything to be very equal. And the final thing is I felt that I should put a background, so I used this very pale kind of blue, which is Payne's gray, very diluted form, and I'm using this to paint the whole background. And I also will be dropping some more dots, dark and light, to complete the background. And with this, we have finished our watercolor seashell greeting card, which you can use for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me today. And if you did, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy painting. I'll see you tomorrow for day 7 of July Watercolor Month. Bye bye.